Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I got this grown and sexy style for you today with this glueless ebin spray. It's the shit. We gonna get into it. We gonna get into this hair as well. Shout out to Wiggins for sponsoring today's video. Y'all see it. Let's get into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
I gotta say, it's really great to have transparent lace back in my life again. I missed her. I went ahead and sprayed it with some ebin tinted lace spray. Y'all know I love that, but I ain't never used this spray before. And with liquid gold, I done fucked up a few times. And I ain't even read the directions. And that was my fault. So this time, I went ahead and made sure that I just read the label. Because who know how to work the product better than the people who made it? I don't know. No more guessing. I like to be, I don't know, maybe that was common sense, but I like to, figure stuff out on my own, so I went ahead and made sure I read the directions. So the directions said, I'm going to relay them back to you, girl. The directions said that if you do 2 to 3 layers, and then you air dry them, and then on the third layer let it get tacky, and then you can apply it, you tie it down with a scarf for 15 minutes, your shit gonna be laid. That's what it said directly. I went ahead and read back on it again, as you can see. That's what it said. It said your shit gonna be laid. I trusted it. Okay. So I went ahead and did my first layer, and then I blow dried it dry. It took a long time. That was my third time, as you can see by the number 3 I held it. I went ahead and sprayed it, and I also cut off my ear tabs off camera because I felt like it. And so I went ahead and, got it positioned on my head so that when the third layer was tacky, because the other layers were dry and I didn't want it to stick on. So I went ahead and did off after I dried down the second layer. Pro tip, and then I got it ready for the third layer. And now I'm just going ahead and pushing it down. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the sprays. I feel like they're not trustworthy. So when I was doing this, I was trying to see how tacky it was going to be. And when I saw that it was sticking, it was kind of getting me excited. I ain't show that on my face, but I felt like that inside. I promise I did. I was like, okay, and then I just kept going, and I really like that it was tacky enough to hold it down. I really don't see that with sprays. I feel like sprays aren't sticky enough. So once I stuck it down enough, I went ahead and put my scarf on like they said in the directions. They told me my shit was gonna be laid, like I told y'all. And go ahead and section off my front part for my bangs and my side part. I didn't want to part my hair yet because my lace wasn't laid yet. And then I went ahead and trimmed the hair. I didn't want to cut too much off. I just like blunter cuts for when my hair is about this length. Anywhere from like 14 to like 24. I'm always trimming the ends. Like I like a blunt cut. And then I went ahead and sectioned them off side by side. So I do half and half. And then now I'm going to hit these flat iron curls on y'all. I don't like wand curling hair, and I don't like barrel curling hair. It just, every time I do it, it just don't look right. So reliable on the flat iron, this flat iron is kind of wonky and I have a few issues with it, but I don't think this is the bash flat iron time. I ain't going to do that to it right now, even though I could embarrass it in front of company right now if I wanted to. But I'm going to just say don't buy this flat iron. It's like, nah, I'm going to get into it a little bit. So now it's time to blow the flat iron. Woo! This flat iron like doesn't turn. Like when I'm twisting it, like the cord winds up. And then like the buttons are in a weird place. It's like how I'm supposed to turn a thing and the buttons. See, y'all didn't even think I was gonna start complaining about the flat iron, but here I go. Like the buttons is right by it, so every now and again, like I would hit the off button and wouldn't even know it, and then like my shit would be off, and then I have to wait and then turn it back on. So that happens like a few times throughout the course of this video. But you know me, the editing pro I am. I just edited it out so you guys didn't have to know that. So yeah, let's look up transition. Boom! I never finished my transitions. I was too geeked that I remembered. Like ADHD never let me be great, and I always forget my transitions. But I did it. We still talking about that transition because it was pretty good. Go back and watch it again for real. But if you didn't go back and watch it again, that's also fine. We're on to this part. We're on the part now. We parting the hair. Y'all tell I'm doing this in one take because I am. It's one take. Drake really take to it, and they still take to it. Anyway, I don't even like Drake enough like that to be cool with him. Girl, anyway, I'm putting this Easy Edge fixer stick thing on my little part, and I'm just gonna hot comb it down. I love me a flat wig, y'all know this. I'm just gonna get it real flat, and I'm gonna get it real laid. And I went ahead and take my scarf off. I don't know if y'all noticed. I don't know if y'all was paying attention, but the scarf been off. The scarf been off for like 13 seconds. Did you notice it? You probably didn't. So now I'm just cleaning up my part, and sometimes I just like to show y'all that shit don't be like perfect the first time, because I like to edit shit down to make it digestible for y'all, because I know people don't want to watch me do shit over and over and over again, because I'm a perfectionist, and it's Virgo season. Did y'all know my birthday is tomorrow? If you made this far in the video, hi, it's Thursday when I'm uploading this. My birthday is on the 3rd. I'm gonna pin my Cash App and my PayPal, my Zelle. So I'm gonna put my Zelle. I'm gonna put my little links. You feel me? So y'all can send me a little dollar or two, baby. If you learn anything from me, I'm about to be 21. I want you to do things. I want you to send me a dollar on my Cash App. My Cash App money via JaLeah. I'm pin it on the pin comment, and then also I want you to subscribe to my second channel. It means a lot to me. It's my new endeavor. I just want y'all to get into the content going up there. I'm going to have a video up in September. My first video, I plan for it to be a little thing. I have a lot of ideas for it. It's my first time getting creative in a while. So it will really mean a lot to me if you guys support me over there and get me to 1,000 subscribers soon. I would like die if I, no, I don't want to die. I would be really appreciative. Let's just not be dramatic. I'll be really appreciative if I hit 1,000 subscribers in September. So yeah, I will also be pinning that in my pinned comment as well. And now, as you can see, I'm just flat on the thing. Y'all ain't missed a thing. If I didn't explain that, I thought y'all would have got the gist where I was at. Right now, I am flat ironing this hair. And I gotta say, Wiggins always brings it. Every time I get a Wiggins wig, like, the hair is good. I can guarantee the hair is going to be good when I get it from Wiggins. Every single time. So shout out to them. Like, I didn't put any silk on this. Usually I put some silk on my hair. I didn't put any because the hair was just so lustrous. The only edge control type thing I put in, or control frizz type thing I put in, was the edge control stick. And now, don't use these scissors, man. Get a pair of shears. Like, I lost my shears. Don't be like me. Put your shears in the same place every time you use them. So I had to use these. But shears really are, insert word, they're important. They're important. These scissors was lagging. They was I'm thinking about that video of that girl doing the shoulder thing, and she's like, "It's the Coda song when I'm booting it up. Da, da, da. Please direct me to the freak." You know that song? It was glitching. If you know, you know. I hope you be on Twitter. Anyway, me talking about random things. We are razor ring off the lace now. That's what we doing. My hands was kind of acting stupid because, as you can see, I got nails again. Did y'all miss me with nails? I did. I feel so feminine. I feel so feminine and pretty. My nails back, and they're just press-ons. Y'all would have assumed that they was press-ons because they are. I went ahead and did my little spray thing to cover up the little lifting that comes when I eyebrow razor off my lace. And that's a little routine I'm going to do. I don't show it too often because, you feel me, you going to get the gist. Like, after I show y'all twice, like, I hope y'all know I would do that to all the sides. Like, I just hope that's common sense. I'm talking y'all's ear off, but anyway, we about to wrap this up. This is my last little blow dry clip I got for y'all, and then we finna move on to just flat ironing the bang and the side. Or no, it's just a bang now. It's just a bang. See, I forgot where I am in my own video. I'm talking so damn much. So now we are just curling the bang backward. If you didn't notice, I was curling all the hair away from my face. That was just the goal. Right now, I wanted a blown back type of look. Like I said, very much grown and sexy. And then what did I do? And then I was fucking around with the flat iron because it was being stupid. That's what you get when you pay $15 for a flat iron from TJ Maxx. Like, who can I really blame? Like, I just had to get this $15 flat iron from TJ Maxx. Like, and that's why you invest in things that are good. But anyway, not saying TJ Maxx is cheap or nothing. I'm just saying, like, I got a baby list, and I'm very much seeing the difference. I'm just gonna put it like that. But then as me noticing my bang was looking real cute, so I was feeling it. You see the little smirk. And then I'm just, once again, going back to make sure the wig is flat. I gotta make sure. It's not me if the wig not flat. So then it was time to go ahead and curl the little baby hair piece with the bedhead pixie curling iron. It's a flat iron, it's not no curling iron. And then I'll go ahead and point it the other way. And then I've got my edge fixer, the berry cherry with the lemon drop top and the ORS grip gel. And I just like to drop them on the top of the baby hair. And then I like to use my edge brush comb and just comb it through so that it lays like that. And so the bottom of it is still fluffy. I am on here sounding like a smoker. Like, give me a second. You see this edges clip right here? This took 4 minutes. I chopped it down, make it a cute little 21 seconds for you. But baby, that took 4 minutes. Y'all think I'm gonna just leave in here every clip of me edit, like, really touching stuff up? I can't. The videos will be 2 hours long, and y'all don't want to see that. As much as y'all act like y'all want to see that, y'all don't want to see that. So now I'm just really making sure, once again, the finishing touches always take the longest because they just, like, you're so close to being done, but then, like, you're not. I went ahead and sprayed that Sebastian Shaper spray. I love that hairspray. It's my favorite hairspray right now. My curls are still in my head right now because of how good that spray is. I mean, just the best spray. Once again, I want a flat wig. Did y'all not get the point? Like, do you see what I'm doing? Like, the wigs don't come flat on their own. You gotta make them that way. And that's what I do with that Kendra's Boutique hot comb. Love it. And then I'm taking some mascara because my part wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. And that's what I mean when these finishing touches, but just taking forever. And so, little concealer on it, and then I would have to go back because I blended it out real bad in a sec. I done spoiled it for y'all. Now y'all not gonna be surprised when it happened, but I had to fix it. I had to fix that too with the mascara because that's what be happening. Sometimes you just gotta fix your mistakes. Life. And then I put a little more concealer on it because there can never be too much. Now look at that part. Look at this lace. Look at this. Look at this lace. I mean, this wig really came through for me. It was pre-plucked a little bit. It made my job easy. I was just gonna head out. I wasn't gonna say nothing about the glue because I guess I'm not gonna have it in my hands to show you. Sometimes I'll just be forgetting to come back and like say words and like say things that are important, but I'ma not say too much. I ain't even. Ooh, let me stop. Let me not do too hard. But like, I mean, this is a glueless install. Glueless install is gonna be hitting like this, you know? I might be able to sleep in this. It's giving like permanent. Like, I don't know. I don't think Got2b could ever. I don't think any other spray could ever, for real. I mean, this wig is on my head, and I'm sure it's gonna come off with water. Like, I must purchase. Must purchase. Let's continue on with the voiceover before we get on out of here. But the glue can only be as good as your lace. So shout out to this transparent lace from Wiggins for just, you know, showing out for me. And shout out to the pre-pluck. I only had to pluck a little bit and I just got this super nice natural install that made me have to go with no baby hair. So again, shout out to Wiggins. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I look fucking good. Look at me. Bye, beautiful.